What's up, family? Greetings to you all. I think we should have a tour of the farm. These are a couple of kits I have available at the moment. Currently there's been work being done at the farm. I've been working on the fencing for some time now. I'll take you guys around. So we have the cattle section over here. Very soon we will have 2 bulls. So this is our cattle section for now. This is going to be our cattle section, and this is where they will be feeding. They will be grazing outside the farm, and this is where you supplement them with, local feedstuffs as well. Yeah. So we have the goats. The goats are living here for now. This is the goat section. Yes, you can see a couple of them around. Couple of them grazing. Yeah, you can see a couple of them around. These are also some of the kids at the farm. Yeah, we also have the chicken section. That's the poultry. We are going to have 50 chickens for now. Yeah, 50 chickens, and these are where they are going to be. Yeah, that's the door. We also have our rabbit section. So rabbits are going to be here. You can see rabbits can descend down. Rabbits can descend down. Yeah. So actually, this is going to be the garden and exercising yard for the rabbits. So you can see corn being planted for the rabbits. So also I'm trying to prepare some medium to be able to plant carrots and other veggies and other feedstuffs for the rabbits as well. Yeah, so you have here cucumber. You can see maize for the rabbits. So this is the rabbit section. Yes, so let's head to the piggery section. The piggery section, goats are grazing. Yeah, so we have the piggery section. These two have been crossed. And are expected to deliver within May, June. They are expected to deliver. And yeah, goats are grazing because I just fenced the yard so they don't get to go out. We have our boa over here. Yes, so I'm trying to produce some worms for the chickens using the piggery waste, guys. We also have our mushrooms. Mushroom production. We'll be producing mushrooms very soon. Okay, so I just fixed these pipes to collect the piggery waste, and this is where I tap the waste. And once I tap the waste, guys, let me demonstrate. Once I tap the waste, We have here our fertilizer. This is where we produce my fertilizer. You can see the goat droppings and piggery waste are all here. So in this, all I do is that I have to pour the piggery waste. Yes. So that's what I do. No smell at the farm, guys. No smell at the farm. So this is our fertilizer. We're using it to produce a whole lot of crops. Yes, guys. So please, if you are new here, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, like, comment. You can share the link as well. And I must say thank you to everyone for watching this video. Guys, there are more to come your way. You can't afford to miss this channel. Thank you, guys.